Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Greenlee number 37869. This is an 18-inch long, 11/16 diameter. This is what they call an impact bit. This would be a bit that you're going to use to core through wood, obviously. Greenlee obviously tells me that this is going to be for the transmission of electrical wire. Remove it from the packaging here and we'll take a closer look at it. We've been using this with customers as a replacement for the discontinued Irwin version of this. And we'll talk more about that in a moment. Okay, a very fast speed feeding tip. I would say that that's an auger style spiral, but I'm not an expert on drill bits at all. Smooth bore is what they call that with pull through technology. Cuts through nails, patented tip feeds through wood, splinter free drilling. Nail Eater Extreme is what they call this, 37869. Okay. Now let's put this reasonably back into the tube. Let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at the extended description of this item. This is indeed the item that we're looking at, 37869, 11/16 by 18 inch. Sold as each. When you buy one, we'll send you one. Resists wear, eats through nails and staples. Obviously, I would, I would avoid those when I could. Quickly bore through creosoted and salt-treated utility poles. Creosote, I don't know much about that, but that's what they pump into railroad ties to keep the material from degrading with time. Salt-treated utility poles, 11/16 heat-treated steel, 1.1 pound. They weigh actually about 0.98 pound each. That's what they weigh. And is a replacement for the discontinued Irwin 46811. Okay, they called that a pole auger bit. Okay. Now, link to the manufacturer's page here. Let's copy our 37869 part number. Pull up their catalog. .37869 does not. There it is. Yeah, okay. That the lag was because that's an 850-page catalog. It does come up on page 125 of this catalog, which I don't have a year of publication on it. We do. 2015. Okay. So 37869. It's going to come up a couple of times apparently. More than that. Here's the Nail Eater Extreme bit table. Different diameters here and their part numbers. Quickly bore through, etc., etc. Made in the United States. Another instance of this occurring is using it in an impact wrench as well. Depending on what you're doing, you're probably not going to be using your half-inch chuck Milwaukee for drilling into a creosoted railroad tie. So that's why it's an impact bit. Okay. Comes up again on page 203. Appears to be just a duplicate of that document. Then, of course, in the index. Okay, 18-inch in length. Now, back to the item that we're looking at. The link to the manufacturer's page, again, was here. And from that link, we'll be able to review not only all of the Greenlee products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as, again, back to that full-line catalog. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, I wanted to take a couple of basic dimensional properties of the item. I'd like to know how close to 18-inch this bit actually is. So what that's going to be a reference to, of course, is the overall length of the bit. Complete overall length from the absolute end of the spiral to the end of the bit. And this is 11/16, so that's 0.6875. Don't have a clean place in which to put my caliper. But yeah, sure, it's going to definitely be 11/16. Nice quality bit. Certainly appears that way. Okay. If you have any questions on the Greenlee, this is their part number 37869 impact bit, and that link to the catalog is nice because you can pull up the tool that is intended for this to be used with from the manufacturer as well. The name Greenlee is synonymous with such tools, especially as it relates, I think, in my experience, to the industry around, electrical trades and disciplines under that. Any questions on the 37869 impact bit, 11/16 diameter, 18-inch overall length, or any other Greenlee product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.